everyone and welcome to YogRemedies. In this video, I am sharing 5 yoga poses which you can use to relieve sore feet and painful ankles. You may experience feet soreness after an intense workout, long hours of standing, wrong footwear or improper posture. So we'll first work on improving our standing posture and then we'll do some stretches for our feet and ankles. So let's begin. We'll start with feet awareness and weight balance activity. So come into a standing position and try to keep your eyes closed for this activity. Now pay attention to these 4 points on your feet. So try to visualize these 4 points. The base of the big toe, base of the little toe, the inner edge of the heel and the outer edge of the heel. Pay attention to these 4 points. Try to balance your weight equally on both feet and equally on these 4 points. So to check whether we are biasing our weight to one side or the other, we'll now try to lean in all 4 directions. So keep standing straight and tilt your body little forward. Keep your feet stable. Don't lift up your heels, just shift your weight more towards front. Feel the base of big and little toe. Now come back to the center and lean little bit backwards. Shift your weight to the heels and don't lift your toes. Feel the inner and outer edges of your heel and then come back to the center. Now lean towards your left side. Shift your weight to the outer edge of left foot and inner edge of the right foot. Then slowly come back to the center and lean towards right side. Try to feel outer edge of the right foot and inner edge of the left foot. Then come back to the center. Now consciously try your weight equally between these 4 points and between both legs. A good measure is that the arch of the soles feels lifted and light and you feel pressure on all 4 points: big toe, small toe, inner and outer heels. Now once we have balanced weight properly, we'll stretch the soles of our feet. So lift up your heels and come on your toes. You may open your eyes now and keep staring at a fixed point. Stay for one breath here and then lower your heels down. Slowly try to lift off your toes. Stay for one breath and come back again. You may repeat this activity 5 to 8 times. And then now we'll do next variation. For second variation, we'll sit in Vajrasana. To come into Vajrasana, sit on your knees, keep your feet together and lower your hips to the feet. Now slowly start to roll back, shifting your weight on the upper side of the toes. You may lift off your knees. Stay here for 3 breaths. And then come back to the center. Repeat this exercise also 5 to 8 times. And then from Vajrasana, sitting in Vajrasana, tuck your toes and sit on your heels. Experiment with the pressure you are putting on toes and stay in this pose at least for 30 seconds. For third stretch, we will transition into Virasana. So there is a subtle difference between Vajrasana and Virasana, which is that in Vajrasana our feet are together, but in Virasana sit on your heels and keep your feet apart and then sit on the ground between both feet. Now sitting in this position, slowly try to roll backward. Again you will feel pressure on your upper side of your toes, but little bit more on the bigger toe and inner edge of both feet. Stay here again for 3 breaths and then come back to the center. This again repeat for 5 to 8 times. For fourth asana, come into Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward dog. You may keep your knees bent, a slight bend in your knees. And now in staying in Adho Mukha Svanasana, we'll do some variation of heel and toe stretches. So staying here, shift your weight to your toes, lift off your heels. And then slowly lower heels back to the ground. And try to lift off toes. It might not be possible, but just try. And then again repeat it 5 to 8 times. Once done, sit back in Vajrasana. So last one is my favorite and it's a relaxing pose. This is called Viparit Karni. So sit in a comfortable position facing a wall. Then slowly lie down on your back and place your feet on the wall. Keep shifting towards wall until your legs are completely aligned with the wall. So your legs will make 90-degree angle with your torso and ground. You can open your arms and then close your eyes and take deep breaths. Let your belly expand and compress properly. Stay in this pose as long as you want. If you want, you can place a folded towel or blanket under your waist. Other than relieving feet soreness, this asana is very good for leg cramps, menstrual cramp, varicose veins, mild backache, anxiety and depression. So in the evening, you may make a habit to relax in this pose. For further relief, after these exercises, we'll do water therapy and self-massage. So for water therapy, take some warm water in a tub or bucket and then dip your feet in that water for 10 minutes. After that, pat your feet dry. Take any oil of your choice and massage gently by putting pressure on these points, the base of all the toes, the intersection of all the toes on the upper side of your feet, points on the arch of the feet, and massage in circular motion around your ankle. Do this massage and water therapy before bedtime. These exercises and these tips were to relieve this pain and soreness. To prevent pain and soreness, work on your standing posture, and before any workout or activity, ensure that you do warm-up exercises. I leave the link of warm-up exercises in the description below. To watch similar videos, subscribe to YogRemedies. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Namaste.